hear this shit.
This channel 2 right here. I ain't gonna lie. He always doing it.
Don't hit that.
I can't. He said don't hit that bitch.
Yo!
I will and might be taking off the hood of the cat. I'm supposed to be going to the city to make some content with Tree. If you follow me on Instagram, you should know I did post that we will be linking up. So if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, then that's kind of how y'all not gonna know if we just decide to pop out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, SRTV with 2 Qs. And if you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Gotta get the cat washed. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it is extremely dirty. Yeah! 18 miles left. Also gotta go put gas. Just got to the gas station. Comment down below if y'all think I should take E85 off when I do the raffle, or switch it to 93 and have the tune run off 93. Unless y'all want the full potential of the cat, comment down below which option I should do. Like I said, I will be taking the hood off for today's video. This is not something I do every time, just for today's video. So to take the hood off, all you have to do is take that bolt off, that bolt, and the other side, and then the wires for the windshield wipers, that stuff that wash the windows, you just tuck that, I guess where it's coming from right there. And yeah, this is what the engine bay look like if y'all ain't know, but yeah, I'm finna take it off and I'm gonna show you what it look like after. This little plastic, whatever you want to call it, that is up here, you're gonna have to take that off so you can take the windshield wiper stuff off. Like I said, all you do is gotta pull this apart. It was connected to this, and then just tuck this under the fender right there, and then everything will be off. So this is what it looks like with the hood off. Y'all can get the whole look like this. Looks actually good. I ain't gonna cap. I might be riding like this for the rest of my life, but this is what it's looking like. Finna head to the city. Take the hood off. Oh, somebody's shooting. Topless cat. You hear me? That is RT trying to play in traffic. He's trying to make his car loud. I'm about to show him loud. bit quiet. I ain't gonna count. That bit too quiet, my boy. Now. This quiet ass cat. This boy's a whole burger. This burger is a burger.
I used to have that bitch coming down the street crying, what? What you call like? That's like a wire right now. Yeah, that motherfucker jiggling. That motherfucker jiggling, Rick. That motherfucker fat that like sardines and crackers.
Stupid ass.
Man, next time just send me YOLO. Don't tell me to go somewhere wait on your ass.
The top off.
Oh, you got top? Okay.
The fast boat got the top off.
Shit.
The fast boat got the top off.
Oh, yeah, I gotta give me another one.
This TJ filter.
Oh, you took? I thought you had a lemon.
Nah.
I want mine like half. I want it blue.
Beat it, burger. No.
What? Huh? No, this his shit. He did his own shit. You hear me?
Yeah. This bitch be yelling. I ain't gonna care. Oh yeah. Damn shit.
You feel me? I go goddamn, you know the fastest boat in the world, y'all.
I don't know why he keep telling y'all that.
That
bitch real loud.
We gonna go to Fulton Industrial.
Yeah.
We gonna line up.
All these cars.
And I'm gonna fly the drone
Like 60
and catch everybody in the street.
Nigga might well open up.
That's not illegal. We not doing nothing.
Y'all think that's gonna work?
But all these cars might well open up a deal.
You did shrimp ass nigga. I did. That's gonna work.
Hey, keep going.
Oh snap. I'm on a moped.
You ain't no knocking?
That shit
Where
gonna
we
work.
going though?
Tree said it'll work. It'll work.
I'm getting, what?
I told him the plan about Fulton.
Who said that ain't gonna work?
We done brought the whole world outside.
The 170. Go Willie.
He said the 170. I'm dead. I think he trying to make it to 170. Y'all see the fender missing right there? Nah, about the whole world outside, as you can see. Tree on a light day. You hear me?
This nigga so
Hey, no, real shit though. Send me the address, cause I don't
Going on south.
Yeah. Nah, they been here deep though. Too deep. I ain't gonna count like a little block party. Yeah. This bit is deep, like now we are I don't even know what's going on, but all these folks finna go to the gas station. Whoever doing that at Revan, come on now. Y'all see it, man. Everybody is literally at this gas station. They bit tough. I ain't gonna hold you. You already know they bit hard. That bit tough. I'm telling you, like, everybody is outside. So follow me on Instagram. Y'all be able to come to this. I ain't gonna cap. I'll be posting it. Where we be at, or where we about to go. On some cool.
Nigga, this sounds so motherfucking crazy, nigga.
When the run finna start?
Probably next week.
Goddamn with your down shit. Your down shit.
Raffling it off?
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
Hell is you doing?
Hey, no, that bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, you got that bitch confused. That bitch confused me, cause I'm like, that bitch said, doo-doo.
That shit is going stupid.
I used to see how we got like the whole world.
No. Really, this should be your first tattoo.
What?
Not in your face is crazy.
Man, get a tat right there, stupid. Eat it.
Somebody pump my gas.
He said somebody pump his gas. Oh God, everybody is outside though. That bit over there hard.
Yeah, they be hard.
And that bit hard too. I ain't gonna care.
Oh my God, stay sweat. Oh shit. Yeah.
This bit is too deep.
I want to say Hellcat motor. Hey, look, we got this man home with this little ass dog. Like, that ain't no real German.
Where you see a dog at?
That's a Birmingham.
Oh. So you trying to hot down on somebody?
Stop trying to say
I'm trying to tell you.
Hot down on you, chicken wing asshole.
Call for you.
I'm out here working like, you feel me? We can't work together and I don't even want you, you feel me? Somebody like we locked in chasing these chickens. Like, my boy Reed got like 7 hoes.
The city is literally
So he got 7 hoes.
Who said that?
I'm snitching.
Hey, I'm snitching. Huh? Man, look. We're doing YouTube content showing people they ain't gotta be out here acting crazy. You ain't gotta be out here doing burn off. You know, you can just sit down, sit there, get the fuck out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. We gonna keep it peaceful around here. Yes, sir.
Why they doing the young man like that? No wrong. If you were white, they would have had us in the chalk. They got hoes in the hungry milk. Okay, so you don't know that motherfucker talking about something.
I can't say what I want to say on here.
No, you can say what you want to say. This is live for them. they gotta hear this shit.
This channel 2 right here. I ain't gonna lie.
So like, you did. I don't think it's talking about. You know what you talking about. Next,
Now, if I'm going on a date, of course I'm gonna take the Tesla. But if I'm going like,
You want a nigga to pull up on you
Anywhere else.
then I want to ride in this.
I'm saying, like, like, first impression, a nigga pull it
But
up
I
on
mean,
you.
I'm used to that, so that's why I didn't pick that. I'm used to stuff like
Shit.
this.
My fault, big bro.
So she went Tesla. She going Tesla.
I would want to be in something more luxury. They not as, you know.
Need the hood Lamborghinis. Need the hood Lamborghini.
I want
Yeah, hood Lambo.
Hood Lambo.
Yeah. Like,
Nah, you cool.
where we going?
Tight.
But I don't know, I like both. Really.
You getting
He always doing
Don't
it.
hit that bitch. Don't hit that bitch.
I can't. He said don't eat that bit. That bit too loud. These burgers are grabbing. I don't know what the hell. I might hit somebody.
Cat color right here.
Oh, nah, the one I seen got orange brakes, too.
I put let's right.
Oh, the bit got SOT in the garage. You hear me? This does not look like nowhere we can get no content.
Huh?
How we gonna get content here?
Nigga, the police was coming. You ain't see them? They ain't right past y'all? He seen that. He turned the lights. Woo! Roll all the way to the back of the line, I think.
Bro?
Yeah, I wasn't going nowhere, man. Hell no.
I ain't see him. Now, how do we end up at the basketball court? I don't even know, but yeah.
Let me phone.
I don't even know. Like,
Hey, I'm gonna get fucked up with these skills. Like, I don't really do this.
oh,
Like they reach that cradle, I dunked it bit.
you just let him take the ball from you?
Ooh! Hey,
Oh.
you trying to leave? Huh?
She don't speak our language, bro.
I'm good. Yes, she do.
I think.
Oh,
Oh, come here! Oh,
yeah. Oh.
Hey, look! Ooh, that one made it bit. Hell no! Damn! They were finna go crazy, yeah?
No, we don't hear you. Ain't nobody make it yet, bro.
Come here! Oh, what is? No deal. Come here! Damn!
He chopping dodgeball.
Where you at, Rick? Come here. Hey.
Boy, he finna break his own ankles.
What is? What up and hit you, bit?
You gotta catch his breath first. Look.
Oh, shit!
You want first 42?
Oh, stop playing, man. This shit at me. Right here. No. This shit in my life. You got it on video? This shit in my phone. You did.
This shit would not
Think I can go 2 for 2?
Nah.
2 for 30. Do it. Oh shit!
Chrome heart jeans, I'm kinda done with them mirrors. Some call it crazy, have a ticket on some earrings.